Progress.
Hello, everybody. We are back for math. So we are going to need both our workbook and I will lose my page. Let me try that one more time. Our math workbook and our math text. We will be starting in our math. But before we start, I had to move to Teacher Margaret's office. She's in a meeting. Hope you like our Christmas lights. I think they look so nice. Hope they're not too distracting on the video. Okay. So we are in our math textbook, this guy, and we are going to page 102. 102. Let me see if I can get there. There we go. Let me scroll. Lots of pages to scroll through. Ooh, 105. Where is it? Where is it? Here we go. 102. Yeah. Page 102. We are doing solving word problems. Word problems have to do with sentences and stories. So let's go over some examples before we do actual word solving problems on page 104. So we have a few examples to go over. Let's do them all together. So we're going to start with example 13. So it says, Mint and her family went to a strawberry farm. Mint picked 37 strawberries. Her sister picked 24. How many strawberries did they pick all together? When you see this word all together, it means plus. So we're going to plus the two numbers. So we have 37 plus 24. So first things first, we go 7 plus 4 equals 11. So remember, we put down the 1 and carry over the 10. Now we have 1 plus 3 plus 2, that equals 6. So the total number of strawberries was 61. So our answer is, they picked 61 strawberries all together. So remember, students, all together means plus. Okay, next. Example 14, we're still on page 102. Okay, I hope I'm reading these names right. So it says Pong, I believe it's Pong, and Ari are playing a game. Pong scored 58 points. Ari scored 13 points. More than Pong. So Ari scored 13 points more than Pong. How many points did Ari score? Okay, so when you also see this word more, we add the numbers together. More is also a word which means add together. So what we're going to do is we have 58 and 30 plus 13. So 58 plus 13. So first we're going to go 8 plus 3 equals 11. So I put down the 1, carry over the 1. 5, sorry, 1 plus 5 plus 1 equals 7. So our answer is Ari scored 71 points. Okay. Where do we go next? Okay, I believe we're on page, yes, 103 next. Example 15. Let's have a read. There were 54 people on the bus. 7 people got down at Asco Station, I believe. Asco Station. How many people are left on the bus? So normally when you see the word left, how many are left? That means minus. Take away. Minus. So let's have a look. So we have 54 minus 7. So let's have a look what we need to do. So we have 54 minus 7. Okay, now remember, 4 is smaller than 7. So we need to make the 4 into a bigger number. So we borrow a 10 from the 50 to make it 40. So we have the 4 and we carry over the 10. The 10 plus 4 is 14. So now we can go 14 minus 7 is 7. And 4 minus 0 is 4. So our answer is 47. So now we say 47 people are left on the bus. 47 people are left on the bus. Okay, so next one, we're going to go to example 16. We're still on page 103. So it says, 43 adults are standing in a queue. 29 are women. How many are men? So how many can also mean minus. So how many are men? So we have 43 altogether, and we know 29 of them are women. So we take 43 minus 29. Now remember, 3 is smaller than 9, so we need to make our 3 bigger. So we borrow a 10 from the 4. That becomes a 3, and this becomes 13. So 13 minus 9 is 4. And 3 minus 2 is 1. So our answer is, there are 14 men in the queue. Okay, so next we can go to page 104. 104. And now we can solve some word problems. Let's have a look. Number 1 says, there are 47 girls and 38 boys sitting in the hall. How many children are there altogether? Now remember, altogether means plus. So we're going to say 47 plus 38 equals, our answer is 85. 85. So our answer in a sentence is, there are 85 children altogether. Okay. Remember, if I'm going too fast, please pause the video. Let me have a look. Let's go to number 2. Number 2. I believe this name is Noi. Could be wrong, but let's go for it. Let's say it's Noi. So Noi has 29 buttons. Her mother gave her 19 more. How many buttons does she have now? Okay, so she had 29 and her mom gave her 19 more. This means we need to plus again. So we're going to have 29 plus 19 equals, answer is 48. 48. So our answer in a sentence form, she has 48 buttons now. Okay. We are going to move on to exercise 3 and 4. Let's go. Here we go. Exercise 3 and 4. Okay, let's read. Number 3 says, May needs 56 Lego bricks to build a house. She has 26 bricks now. How many more bricks does she need? So she needs 56, but she only has 26. So we're going to minus. So we're going to take the 56 minus what she has, which is the 26, which equals 50. Our answer in a sentence, she needs 30 more bricks. She needs 30 more bricks. So she had 26, but she needed 56 to make the house. So she needed 30 more bricks. Okay, let's go to number 4. Number 4 says, Ken needs 43 chairs for a birthday party. He only has 18 now. How many more chairs does he need? So he needs 43, but he only has 18. So we're going to minus again. So we're going to say 43 minus 18 equals 25. 25. So our answer in a sentence, he needs 25 more chairs. He needs 25 more chairs. Okay. So next, student, I'm just having a look. See, yeah, we are going to then next go to our work. So if you're finished, please get your workbook. If you are not finished, pause the video and then finish. I'm going to stop this one. So let's stop our share, yeah. And I'm going to go get the PowerPoint for our workbook. I hope my lights aren't too distracting. My next lesson, we won't have the light. Okay, so we are in our workbook. And I apologize if I'm wrong, because I don't have your books to check, but I believe we're on page 99. Or is it? Oh, wait, sorry, 98. I believe, yes, sorry, 98. Because I believe the last page we did was 97. So let's go to page 98. If you are finished with page 98, we're just going to check. You can just check your answer. So let's go find page 9. Ooh, can I go past it? This one. That one. There we go. 98, 98, 97. There we go. Page 98. Page 98 of our workbook. 98 of our math workbook. So we are doing subtraction. Subtraction is minus. So let's have a look. A is 47 minus 8. Let's see. What is our answer? Our answer is 39. How did we get to that answer? Let's have a look. So how many 10s do we have? We have 1 10 and 7 1. And we're going to make that into 17. So let me explain. So remember, 7 is smaller than 8. So we need 7 to become bigger. Remember, we borrow a 1 from the 4 which makes that 17. So we have 110 and 7, 1. And that becomes 17, 1. And 17 minus 8 equals 9. And then we carry down our 3. So our answer is 39. Okay, so let's do our next one. So next we have 62 minus 7. So let's talk about it first and then we'll do the answer. So 2 is smaller than 7, so we need to make our 2 bigger. So we're going to borrow a 10 from the 6, carry it over. So now it's 12 minus 7. And what is 12 minus 7? So 12 minus 7 is 5. And then we'll drop down the 5, and it'll be a 5 here. And then over here, this also became a 5. Our answer will be 55. Let's have a look if I'm right. Yes, 55. So remember, we have a 10, which we borrowed from the 6. And then we have our 2 1s, 2 1. And 10 plus 2 makes 12. So now we have 12 1. The 12 1s minus 7 is 5. And we drop down the 5. So our answer is 55. Let's move on. Exercise, well, not exercise, letter C. C and D, still on page 98. Yeah. Oh, this one's a little different. We actually have bigger numbers at the bottom. Okay. So we have 50. Ooh. Sorry, students, my mouse is disappearing. Let me make it visible. So 53 minus 61. So let's talk about it. So first things first, our 3 is smaller than the 6. So we're going to borrow a 10 from the 5. That's going to become 4, and this is going to become 13. And 13 minus 6 equals 7. The next we'll have 4 minus 1, which equals 3. So if I'm correct, our answer should be 37. Let's have a look. Yes, 37. But let's write out our regrouping. So we had a 10, which we borrowed from the 5. And then we had our 3 1s from over here. And 10 plus 3 makes 13. Next, we have 13 1s altogether. And 13 minus 6 is 7. And 4 minus 1 is 3. So our answer is 37. Okay, let's do D. We have 84 minus 35. Let's talk about it. So, first thing, as you can see, 4 is smaller than 5. We need to make our small bigger, our 4 bigger. So we're going to make this 8 into a 7, and this 4 into a 14. So 14 minus 5 equals 9. And next we're going to have 7 minus 3 equals 4. So if I'm correct, our answer should be 49. Yes, 49. So we had our 10 and our 4, which made 14. And 14 minus 5 is 9. And 7 minus 3 is 4. So our answer is 49. Okay. We are going to do, I'm thinking, 2 more pages. We're going to do page 99 and 100, and then we finish with the math. Okay. So next, if you're not finished, please pause the video. Let's go to page 99. Find the difference. Find the difference. Okay, let's have a look. See. So we have 21 minus 9. So our 1 is smaller than the 9. So we need to borrow from the 2. So the 2 is going to become a 1, and our 1 is going to become 11. So 11 minus 9 equals 2. We're going to have a 2 at the bottom and a 1 over here. So I believe our answer will be 12. Yeah. So A is 12. Let's look at B. So our 3 is smaller than a 7. So we're going to borrow 10 from this 3. So this is going to become a 2, and this is going to become 13. Now, 13 minus 6, oh, not 6, 7, my apologies, 7 equals 6. So down here is going to be a 6. And over here we have a 2. So when we put that together, our answer should be 26. Let's go to C. Let's go to C. So 44 minus 9. So our 4 is smaller than 9, so we're going to get bigger. So we're going to borrow a 1 from the 4. This is going to become a 3. So, and next, our 1's become a 14. The 14 minus 9 equals 5. So we have a 5, and up here we have a 3. Put that together, 35. 35. Our answer for C is 35. Let's look at D. 57, 75. Sorry about that. 75 minus 7. So we are going to make our 5 into a 15 and our 7 into a 6. So 15 minus 7 equals 8. And then we're going to drop down our 6. So our answer is going to be 68. 68. Let's go to E. Okay, so students, for E to J, I would like you to pause the video. We're going to pause the video, and I want you to try to finish everything by yourself. And then when you're finished, unpause, and we'll go over the answer. So I want everyone to pause your video right now. Pause. Okay. When you're finished, you should be finished now. You've unpaused, so let's go over the answer. So E, our answer is 57. 57. F, 88. 88. G, 14. 14. H, 24. 24. I, 39. 39. J, 15. 15. Please check your answers and make sure they are correct. Check your answers and make sure they are correct. Okay. Next, we're going to go to page 100. 100. So we have K to N. Do you want to do these together or by yourself? I think by yourself. Let's do them by yourself again. So I want everyone, pause your video. Pause your video. Finish K to N. Unpause, and we'll go over the answer. So I want everyone to pause in 3, 2, 1. Pause your video. Okay, let's go over the answers. So K is 17. L is 63. M is 47. And N is 61. Please check your answers. Check your answer, and then we'll go to exercise 3. Okay, exercise 3. There it is. Okay. Exercise 3 says, help Mook find his bag. Color the bag with the correct answer. So we have 34, 45, and 36. So 71 minus 36. What is the answer? Our answer is 35. So next, color in the bag with the number 35. There it is. Color in your bag, any color. I chose like a light blue. You can use any color you want. Okay. On that note, students, we are finished. I will see you, I believe. Let me have a look, just checking my timetable. Yes. Next, you have lunch. Enjoy your lunch. And I will see you after lunch for science. Ooh, science. Science is going to be fun. We're learning about sound. Okay, so bye-bye, everybody. Enjoy your lunch. I'll see you for science. Bye-bye.